Alright, what is up guys? It is Joseph. Welcome back to my New York City apartment. As you guys can see, the background has changed. I'm super excited. I actually am liking the way the studio is coming along. I made a video a while ago, and you guys probably already know by the title, but I made a video a while ago talking about, it was like a day in my life kind of video, just to gauge what the perspective was going to be, what people wanted to see. And in that video, I showed off me skateboarding. And some people wanted to know what my setup was in that video, and I said I'd make an in-depth video, which is this. I've been skating since 2010, 2011, and it's just been great. This is my actual setup right here, as you guys can see. It's nothing too crazy. I have mop grip tape. I have this MAY skateboard. I really like this board. It is his interpretation of the Joker, Joaquin Phoenix's, not Jared Leto's, Joaquin Phoenix's. I like the green, the purple, the black. It's chef's kiss. The trucks are diamond, the hardware is diamond. The wheels I recently just got. These are Bones 155. The bearings are Bronson's V3s, I think. It's because I really wanted them. For the longest, I was skating Reds, Bones Reds, like Super Reds, and those were good. But I really wanted to try the Bronsons, and like these wheels I just got. They're literally brand new. I've had them for like 4 days, and I'm so in love with this setup right here. I have other setups for different occasions, but this is my main everywhere setup. Like if I'm going to work, I will skate around the city for a while, go to work, do my time, get out, and skate a bit more. I have a cruiser board, and then I have an alternative board, meaning it's for both cruising and tricks. But yeah, I haven't really put any stickers on here except for this bone sticker. Because I like the way that the placement of it was. But yeah, I have other boards. I might do, if you guys are very interested, doing an in-depth video showing off all my boards. But yeah, just a quick video just to show you guys my setup. This is literally it. Once again, MAY deck, girl deck, diamond trucks, diamond hardware, Bones 155s, and Bronson V3 bearings, and a mop grip tape. I am gonna make a video. I am going to NYC Go Skate Day. That is very soon. I am super excited for that. It'll be my first time actually going in a while. I haven't gone there since like 2019. And I am looking for sponsors. I have one brand that I'm really excited to get sponsored by, or semi-sponsored. I found a brand. I like what they stand for, and it might be my new setup. This is an 8-inch deck. I plan on switching to... No, this is a 775 deck, if I remember correctly. I think it is a 775 deck. I plan on switching to an 8. It's a good deck, and it works. I just need a little more room for me to land things. But yeah, I like it. Overall, great board, great setup. I'm back to skating. I've been wearing a lot more baggier clothes. And yeah, stay tuned. I have more videos coming out. My name is Joseph. See you guys. Peace.